Animate all letter. Let's start with left top segment. Open position, add keyframe, and move it to 20 frames forward. And move shape to the top. Select keyframes, right click, keyframe velocity, and change value to 95 and 95. Right top part, open scale, add keyframe, and move it 2 frames forward. And change value to 175. Select keyframes, right click, toggle hold keyframe, and move these keyframes forward. Bottom right part, open position, add keyframe, and move it to 20 frames forward. Move shape to the right. Select keyframes, right click, keyframe velocity, and change values to 95 and 95. Open scale, add keyframe, and change value to 50. 2 frames forward and change value to 100. Select keyframes, right click, toggle hold keyframe, and cut layer. Let's play preview. Let's animate left bottom part. Open position, add keyframe, move it 2 frames forward, move shape to the bottom, select keyframes, right click, toggle hold keyframe. Select all letter layers and move it forward. And let's play preview.